Tennessee's trigger law goes into effect next Thursday, the 25th. As we've been saying, the trigger law makes it a crime to perform or attempt to perform an abortion, except in certain cases. Legal analyst Greg Isaacs is here. It's always good to see you.
Lord, it's good to be here.
Here's what we're talking about, what this law does and does not cover for starters.
Well, the 25th, next Thursday, the Roe trigger law becomes the law of the land and the law of the land here in Tennessee. What it does, it changes the rules on abortion dramatically. It makes it a Class C felony for a physician to perform an abortion. It does not call for the mother to be prosecuted criminally if that was the case. It also defines life as beginning at conception. There are exceptions in Tennessee, unlike some states, for the health of the mother.
Right, health of the mother.
Basis.
What about rape or incest?
No, it's got to be the health of the mother.
The mother's health has to be in danger. You
Right.
brought up some criminal cases, like fetal homicide cases, when conception under this trigger law is deemed to begin, or, well, when life begins at conception under this law. So how would this impact those cases?
Well, what this does, it underscores the strength of Tennessee's fetal homicide statute. Under Tennessee law, a fetus for fetal homicide purposes is defined as an embryo or fetus at any stage of gestation in utero. So basically, we already had life begins at conception as it relates to criminal prosecutions. But what this does is really underscores that and also makes it a black letter automatic decision. For example, if the toxicology of someone showed that the deceased was pregnant, I think a prosecutor could go forward in good faith regardless of the stage of the embryo or the fetus. You have mothers that may have problems with drug or alcohol. An NAS baby, now instead of having to prove a correlation between the drugs, alcohol, and the fetus, I think a pregnancy test could support a criminal prosecution. So really dramatic, unforeseen changes regarding this trigger law here potentially in Tennessee.
Yeah, pretty far-reaching, that's for sure. You know, in addition to the Roe v. Wade example there and what that came out of. So we're one of several states that has the trigger law. What about what happened in Kansas? Could things be overturned here? What would that take?
Well, Kansas was different because it had a constitutional amendment that they were trying to overturn. So you can always go back. You know, this has left abortion to the states' rights. So in doing something like that, the legislature can pass the law. We can jump through the hoops to amend our Constitution. But it's going to be really interesting to see as this goes forward. And what's interesting is all these states, now in terms of fetal homicide, 38 states had statutes like Tennessee, 29 life begins at conception, but the law is going to be different each time you cross the state line.
All right. We'll be watching. Greg, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, if you have a legal question for Greg, you can reach out to him by emailing askisaacs@wate.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday right here at 5:30 on WATE. 6 on your side.